The Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino program is designed to equip students with the necessary knowledge and skills to become effective teacher of the Filipino language to secondary school students. The BSAD major in Filipino program takes 4 years to complete, and on-a-job training or internship is done on the 3rd and 4th year of the program, where students are exposed to both in-campus and out-campus teaching, which takes up to at least a month of exposure for every year level. The subject included in the BSAD major in Filipino program is Introduction to Socio Fellow with Human Rights Concept, Principle of Teaching and Instructional Techniques, Paraan at Pamaraan ng Pagtuturo ng Pilipino, Politics, Governance, and the New Constitution, Pagbasa at Pagsulat ng iba't ibang disiplina, Pagsasaling sa wika at pangangalinang ng curriculum, Human Growth, Learning and Development, General Psychology with Drugs Addiction, Socio and Culture with Family Planning, Introduction to Educational Research, Filipino bilang pangalawang wika, Sanaysay, Debate at Talumpati, Philippines Literature in English, Principle of Economics, LRT, Sining ng Pakikipagtalastasan, General and Professional Ethics, Mamamahayag at Mamamaraan, Measurement of and Evaluation, Panimulang Linguistika, Panunuring Pampanitikan, Foundation of Education, Mga Simulan ng Retorika, Educational Technology, Fundamentals of Music, Non-Formal Education, Communication Arts, Maunlad na Pilipino, Elementary Butanay, Panitikang Pilipino, Panulaang Pilipino, Philippine History, Art Appreciation, College Algebra, Dulang Pilipino, World History, Basic Math, Logic. The career opportunities for graduates of BSAD major in Filipino in the Philippines: Secondary School Filipino Teacher, Substitute Teacher, Customer Service Representative, Private Tutor, Assistant Researcher, Marketing Agent, Academician, Researcher, and Principal. The reason why I want to take the BSAD major in Filipino because most students can speak Filipino language or our national language. Also, many people have influenced me to take the BSAD major in Filipino because nowadays we don't have many teachers in Filipino and the demand in the Philippines is high.